Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, where I'm going to help you find your sound. And today, I'm glad you're here because I'm going to show you how to play the A7 chord. I'll show the easy open chord A7, then I'll show you two different ways to play the intermediate A7. It's a bar chord, so stick around with me. It'll be good for you. Okay, so first we're going to play the A7. And the reason we call it an open chord, because you get all these open strings with it. And on the A7, you just want to strum from the A or the 5th string down. What you're going to do is place your second finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, right here. And then your 3rd finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the B string, right there. That's it. How easy is that? This is one of the first of the 11 chords that I show you. Check out in the description, Sharon's Guitar Academy, and I've got a bunch of chords I go over in that. So because you get to use all these strings, even though you're just fretting 2 fingers, it's a big sound. And also, while you're playing these chords, you want to be right behind the fret here at the 2nd fret. Keep your hand low so you can see between the guitar neck and your fingers. That way you won't mute any strings. Then we've got the intermediate. Don't run away. This is going to be good for you. So we're playing the A7. Right here we've got the A. You're going to bar all the strings at the 5th fret. You can put your 3rd finger right here on the A string on the 7th fret. And your 2nd finger is right there at the 6th string, or excuse me, 6th fret of the G string. You're going to hear that in a lot of blues tunes. Then you can also play it up here. I told you if you stuck around, I'd show you 2 extra ways. And the next way to play the A7 is bar all from the D string down with your 1st finger. Then I like to use, you could use your 2nd finger. To me, that doesn't feel right. So I use my 3rd finger right there on the 3rd fret of the E string. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Which A7 do you like?